Alright, just taking out the throttle body. A lot of holes that, well, this Fit got more holes than me, so yeah. So, and I don't get holes, so yeah. And here comes the coolant, Ffit.
Good. Man, you're leaking coolant all over my floor.
Sorry. Take it up.
See how crusty this shit is.
Why does it feel like, look like a brand new engine? Look at that.
Looks like a fucking brand new engine.
Told you. I don't even need a new casket. I'm just joking. I might need it anyway.
Well, I can say you got some rigorous oil changes right here.
What do you mean vigorous oil changes? How you can tell?
It's still clean. There ain't no burnt oil caked on top of the burner.
Look at that, guys. I take good care of my car. What are you doing to my 10,000 mile spark plugs?
Holy shit, is that fucking tiny?
Woo. What we doing?
Doing a compression test to see how healthy the engine is.
Oh, before we put the turbo in it? So if it ain't healthy, we did all this for nothing?
Maybe.
Come on, man. Positive.
Yeah. Alright. Damn! Is that reading right? What's that, 260? Is that even right? I'm in disbelief right now. Alright, do it again. Alright. Okay. Maybe it's because my meter is all fucked up. I mean, my meter is reading 20 psi more. All right, so 260 minus 20, yeah, 240. All right. All right, so at least 2/3. Well, right now it's at like 245. Yeah, just about 240, 245, so 225. All right. All right. 230. All right. Well, it's rating 260.